In this video, I'm going to show you how you can recover your Clash of Clans account without your Supercell ID. Now, to get started, the first thing that you'll need to do is to open Clash of Clans on your device. Now, once you have duly downloaded the application on your device, you'll need to actually accomplish the tutorials or the introductory section of the application to be able to learn about the controls and the functions that you have on the application. So you'll need to accomplish this part, and once you have this part accomplished, you can proceed with recovering your Clash of Clans account without Supercell ID. Then here, go ahead and click on the settings icon that you'll find above the shop icon. Now go ahead and click on help and support, and this will redirect you into a new page where you'll be able to find the help and support section of Clash of Clans. So in this section, just go ahead and click on account under the Clash of Clans support, since the problem that we're encountering is related to account. And here, go ahead and click on the recover your account, and under this you'll be able to find I've lost access to my account. So just go ahead and click on that, I've lost my access to my account. In this section, Clash of Clans will give you a step-by-step tutorial on how you can simply cover it. So just go ahead and click on the lost access button, and this will redirect you into this section where you can have a live chat with the chat support of Supercell. So you'll need to provide your player tag of your lost village, your name on your lost village, the level of the town hall, and what clan did you belong to, if there's any. You'll need to fill out this information before you click on the submit button to be able to simply recover your Clash of Clans account without your Supercell ID. And that's how you can simply recover your Clash of Clans account without Supercell ID. You can recover your information using Clash of Stats to be able to fill out that form. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.